My name is Alaa Abou Hasan. I'm the Managing Director of Qlab. We are a fully digital dental laboratory producing crowns, bridges, and restoring implants using the digital tools. Private dental surgeries, mostly specializing in dental implants and cosmetic dentistry. We were printing models to a good quality, but with a very high price. What RAYSHAPE introduced to Qlab is the consistency and the quality with a reasonable price. And more than that is the full solution they can provide and the support we've seen from RAYSHAPE. It's an open system, it's a fully and honestly open system. So they're very supportive in any resins in the market. They validating all the resins and they bring in everything to us with proper validation. It's very easy to use. You've got I love the interface of 3D printer, the LCD screen. It's really easy to use, very responsive, really nice and responsive, which I really noticed and liked compared to other expensive 3D printers. You've got the slicer software, which is very easy to use, very friendly and straightforward. With the training which was provided. RAYSHAPE resins are really good, very good quality. It prints really beautifully, and I'm really pleased with them. My favorite is the white resin, which is I've never seen something like it. It's really nice. That's why it's my favorite. So it prints really nicely and it looks like stone, white stone, and this is really game changer for us. Surgical guide prints really beautifully on RAYSHAPE. We have no problem. The accuracy of surgical guide is really important, and RAYSHAPE delivers that for us. No, I think. We're really pleased so far, and we have a good relationship with the team, especially the UK managing director, who's really engaging and credible, and we love working with him. So